Okay, we're at my farm garden. I just gave it some fertilizer and we're watering. And we did half of the garden. I had the red northern and the russet potatoes. Cleaned that all up pretty much. Cleaned up all the weeds. And that's what we have to do another day. But this is what we got out of, oh, sorry about the shadow. Let me go around this way. So this is what we got out of one side. And we'll be back another day to finish the other side. And we've got some pumpkins in there that you can see. So that is my farm garden.